How to fix Facebook code not received. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook code not received easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do to fix this problem is very easy. Just open the settings page on your phone, and after you open it, all what you have to do is go to the apps manager and then go to apps right here and wait a few seconds. It will start loading this page. Now after it starts loading, all what you have to do is scroll down until you find the Facebook and click on it, and then click here on this force stop option. And yeah, that's it. And if it didn't work, all what you have to do then is go to the storage and click on clear data. And then all what you have to do is reopen Facebook, and I am sure that the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.